Kitchen ghost.
Yes.
If not for her dress, she says it may have never been written.
Well, it entered into my life when my grandmother passed away, and how hard that was. You know, it was so hard, even though I knew how to cook. That first holiday, which was Thanksgiving, and thinking about, well, what are we going to do? You know, how are we going to do this? I was cook grandchildren, several great grandkids, and I know that at some point it was a struggle food for my people.
We decided to have Crystal teach me how to make it.
Then you'll put the chicken in.
A dish that formally ended her 2 decades as a vegetarian, because no matter how hard she tried,
Look at me.
Look at you.
she couldn't replicate a meatless version.
That's good.
Other Appalachian favorites were easier to alter.
This is the meatless greens, but you get a little smoky flavor from the liquid smoke.
And those aren't just collards. Those are...
That's a mixture of mustard, kale, and some collards in there too.
Gotcha. Is there a difference between black...
Let's say common law wife. So there were documents, and I was able to find her through census records because he never took a white wife.
Because marriage was illegal between...
Being grandparent raised, we were home. Like, I did a lot of running around, and my grandparents would say, yeah, go on and do it, which my grandmother would not have served, but I have innovated a little bit and put onion rings on the bottom of the skillet when you bake the cornbread. That is garlicky white beans, also vegetarian. And here you have dressing.
And for that matter,
So you're Appalachian now.
I'm Appalachian.
a woman who knows her way around the kitchen.
And so even though the dishes in the book might not be dishes that people are familiar with,